you fell in love, got married, and started a family, but then a few years later, everything started falling apart. Breaking up a family has many aspects: divorce, child support, and even mutually owned properties. But the process doesn't have to be painful. Welcome to Circle of Life Legal Services, the best award-winning family law practice in Fort Lauderdale, helping you move on without the stress. Let's go and check them out. Hi Marty, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So wow, it's an award-winning family practice. Tell me more about it.
Well, I actually went through a terrible divorce before I went to law school. So that really helped me gain some insight on what people go through in a divorce. Dealing with custody issues, it was incredibly difficult for my child, and I want to make sure children don't go through what we put our kid through. We're actually trying to work towards a settlement. Here in Florida, we have to have mediation. It's mandatory. And mediation is not a fight. It's actually an opportunity for the parties to get together and make a solution that they can both live with. Other attorneys charge what's called a retainer fee. They might do $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, and then they charge for every phone call. We charge what's called a flat fee. So you know exactly how much you're going to pay us for the services we provide. So our lines of communication are excellent.
The office focuses on all family matters, helping you get what you deserve, and your children not getting hurt. They also work with you on debt and property issues such as 401k, retirement, real estate, cars and boats, antiques, and other household items. They work with all men and women, and even members of the LGBTQ community. The main intention here is to get an agreement. Marty and the team will set up a mediation to try and settle. Working with neutral third parties, they will come to a fair settlement. But even if things get a little more complicated, they will take care of your needs throughout the whole process, including trial if needed, and up to the final order and post-judgment. A divorce can make people angry or sad. Here, the staff understands what you're going through and helps you with empathy, but they will also make sure that nobody takes advantage of your sensitive state of mind. They will help you see through the challenges and make sure that your decision is logical and not based on emotions.
I was in a custody hearings with my former partner. We shared 2 children together. We tried mediation and it didn't work out, and so I needed somebody to accompany me in court. I was referred to Marty and told that he would take care of all my needs. The Circle of Life staff was amazing. Marty accompanied me into court. I was very confident and helped navigate my family issues. I was so glad that I was referred to Marty and the Circle of Life that the results couldn't have been any better.
So if you, your friend, or a family member find yourselves getting a divorce, don't take a chance. Call Circle of Life Legal Services and be sure that the process will be as easy and painless as possible. Click on the button below to find a new hope for your future.